here yesterday, but that's not of our making. You probably heard. We got on the aircraft, all right. There are a lot of us who were meant to be here yesterday, but as we were going to cross over the Owen ranges, something happened to the aircraft. We don't know what happened. They never told us what was wrong, but they said, as they usually do and always do, technical, because due to the technical issues that the aircraft is facing, we are now asked to return to Papua. So we were unable to come yesterday for that reason. That is the Chief Magistrate and the Public Solicitor and the President of the Papua Legal Society. So, but we are glad we made it this morning, waking up at about 3 o'clock and the flight taking off at 5 o'clock, and to make it even later, we had to go to Kenyan first instead of coming here. So the aircraft went to Kenyan first, arriving there at 6:30 this morning, and then of course we came to the to Papua after that. So on behalf of those of us who came only now this morning, we apologize for putting this program maybe 1 hour behind or thereabouts. But as they say, it's better late than never. So I guess whilst we are late, it's also better that we are here anyway. And so late and then never. So all men by nature desire knowledge. How true is that statement? All men by desire knowledge. And what is knowledge? Education. And where does education come from? Nature, Bible, the whole works.